Welcome back, everyone. My name is Harrison, and this is Harrison's Excel Academy. Today, we're going to go over the feature of Find and Replace. The Find and Replace feature is really useful for finding impurities in your data, as well as replacing specific pieces of your data with different information. Let's get right into it. To open the Find and Replace menu, there's a few different ways you can go about it. First, in the ribbon up on the top, all the way on the right, you can click Find and Select, and then click Find or Replace, and that will bring up this menu. Depending on whether you click Find or Replace in the drop-down, it will bring you to either the Find portion or the Replace portion. You can also use the shortcut key of Control F and bring up the Find portion, or you can click Control H, and that will bring up the Replace portion. Let's first get started with the Find portion. So we can type anything in this Find What dialog box, and we can then click Find, and it will bring us to that location. So let's say we want to find everything with the name Florida. And if we click Find Next, you can see that it keeps moving us down because all of these have Florida in them. All the cells have Florida. If we click Find All, it brings up this menu that you can make bigger, and it shows you what cell has the value of Florida. So you can see all of these cells have Florida in them. Another way of searching is you can search by format. So let's take a look at that. So let's get rid of Florida, and we can go to Format. So you can see there's a number of different formatting options. So we can search by number type, alignment, font, border, cell fill. And so let's try fill. So let's filter by cells that are filled in yellow. So you can see we do have some. So let's see if it picks it up. So if we click OK, you can see, so we're finding, it doesn't matter what the text is, and the yellow fill. So if we click Find All, you can see that these three come up, B8, B12, B17. So B8, B12, B17. And it gives you the value of those cells. And these other options right here, you can search within the sheet or the entire workbook. If you have multiple sheets in your Excel file, you can search by all of them at the same time. And you can also search by rows or columns. So this one starts at the first row and moves down. But you can also search from columns. So you can start in the first column and move across to column B and C and D and so on. Let's move on to the Replace side of the menu. So click your shortcut key, Control H, to bring the menu back up. And let's clear this formatting. So it's the same dialog box. So what do we want to find? So let's find Florida. And let's say we want to replace Florida with a different state name. Let's say Rhode Island. And so now I can click either Find Next, and it will show me where the next occurrence of Florida is. I can click Find All, just as I could in the Find tab, or I can click Replace. And if I click one Replace, you can see that it just changed the one cell that it was on to Rhode Island from Florida. If I click Replace again, it will keep going down the list. If I click Replace All, it will do all of them at the same time. So click Replace All, and you can see all done. We've made 18 replacements. So everywhere where it said Florida now says Rhode Island. And so we can see if it worked by going back to the Find Place and see if we can search for Florida. So see, we couldn't find anything you're looking for because we changed it all. The last important thing that you should know about the Find and Replace feature in Excel is the ability to select all of the cells that you are looking for. So let's say we want to select all of the sales division cells. You can see that they're all in different order, and I could go through and click all of them, or I could use this. So I can find sales, and I can match case and match entire cell contents, and I can click Find All. And so here again, it shows me all the places that sales come up. And so now I can click Control A to select all of them. And so you can see all of them become selected. And now up in the formula bar up here, I can say I want to change sales to management. And now what I can do is, instead of just clicking enter, I can click Control Enter, and that will change all of the values of the sales to management. Please like and subscribe for more content and for supporting this channel. Thank you very much.